Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my Tuesday, that means a car wash day, and I'm going to take you along with me. And also before we start, I'll show you guys how to download the app and get the car wash code. So stay with me. So first you need to download the Journie app. You can just go to the App Store or Play Store and search for it. So once you download it, just sign up with, you can use either your email or a mobile number, and then go to the car wash section. So that's where you'll get the code to use at the machine. So this is super simple and easy process. So I have to share with you about my plan we are using. So me and my 7 friends are sharing this plan. So we paid $175 for 90 days and we divided it between us. So each of us gets 1 day per week and mine is Tuesday. So honestly, it's a really smart way to save money. So yeah, here you have to enter the code which I showed you earlier. Alright, now we are at the car wash. So my husband will enter the code from the app. So done. Now we have to slowly moving forward into the wash bay. You have to stop exactly at the sign. Okay, perfect. So it's starting now. So once it started, the machine sprays a pre-soak chemical that helps loosen dirt, mud and road salt stuck on the surface. You can see it covering the whole surface. So now this is the regular soap stage. Just normal cleaning foam. So this soap helps break down dirt, dust and grease. The machine is moving around the car, spraying evenly from all the sides. So guys, you can see the board here. It guides you to where to stop and at what time you have to move forward, likewise. Okay, now this is the fun part. The colorful foam is coming now. Look at this. Look at this. It's just bright and satisfying. And honestly, it smells like bubblegum. I'm not even kidding. It smells so good. I really feel like eating it, but yeah, don't do that. So it covers the whole car in this thick, colorful layer. So this is my favorite part. So okay, so now it's switching to high pressure water, so you can hear how strong it is, huh? So yeah, this is where all the soap and the dirt get washed off completely. So this machine moves around the car and cleans every angle. Now we are in the rinse stage. This removes any leftover soap. Yeah, there's also spot free rinse, so we don't get watermarks later. So this green light indicates that you have to move forward for the drying process. Okay, and now we are in the drying stage. So here you actually have about 1 minute to get your car dried. So the blowers are on, pushing water off the car. So what I'm doing here is slowly moving the car forward while it's drying. So I'm making sure all the angles get covered, like the front side and the sides and the back. So just moving little by little, right? So here you shouldn't rush here, right? Just go slowly so the air hits every part of the car. That way it dries much better. So you can actually see the water flying off, right? So it's pretty satisfying. Yeah, here's a countdown. So I really like this touchless wash because nothing touches the car, so no scratches. It's quick and easy and very convenient. So, and sharing the plan makes it even better and cheaper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So give a like and a comment and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.